Every single month, $10 leaves your bank account. It happens on Autopilot, a streaming service you rarely watch, a digital subscription you forgot to cancel. And to your brain, $10 feels like zero. It is a rounding error in your monthly budget. But that tiny quiet leak is actually a massive leverage point. Most people look at artificial intelligence and see a tool for luxury. They use it to summarize articles they won't read or generate images they don't need. They treat it like a toy. But if you reframe that exact same $10, it stops being a leak. It becomes an employee. An employee that works 24 hours a day, requires no sleep, and processes data faster than an entire department of people. The goal today isn't to look at complex coding or viral trends. It is to look at the strict, logical math of turning a $10 bill into an automated wealth builder. Let's look at the math. Plain and simple. We start with a unit of 1, exactly $10. That is the average cost of a basic, entry-level AI tool subscription. If you spend that $10 on entertainment, the return is zero. But let's look at what happens when you buy back your time. Imagine your time is worth a very modest $15 an hour. If this $10 tool saves you just 1 hour of manual work each week, the math changes. 1 hour a week is 4 hours a month. At $15 an hour, those 4 hours are worth exactly $60. You spent $10 to get back $60 worth of free time. That is a 500% return on your investment in month 1. The math doesn't lie. You didn't need to land a massive client or invent a new product. You simply stopped wasting 60 minutes of your life doing tasks a machine can do in 60 seconds. The lesson here is simple. Wealth isn't built by working harder. It is built by optimizing the cost of your hours. If you search the internet for financial advice right now, you will see chaos. People screaming about getting rich overnight. Thumbnails with bright red arrows promising thousands of dollars for doing nothing. It is loud, it is exhausting, and it is a lie. The real shift toward automation isn't flashy. It happens quietly. It looks like a spreadsheet that updates itself while you sleep. It looks like a system that automatically formats your data, or drafts your emails, or organizes your weekly invoices. The internet wants you to believe you need to build a massive AI empire to see a result. But true financial stability doesn't come from chasing trends. It comes from removing friction. When you remove the friction from your daily tasks, you open up a vacuum. And that vacuum is where extra income actually comes from. Not from magic, but from extra capacity. Once your mind is no longer drained by repetitive digital clutter, you can finally focus on the numbers that actually move the needle. Now let's scale the math to something tangible. $500 a week. For most people, that is a life-changing amount of secondary income. It pays the rent, clears the debt, or funds the investments. If you try to make $500 by trading more of your personal hours, you hit a wall. You run out of day. So we use the squares on this board. Think of them as 5 micro clients. Local businesses, freelancers, or online creators. Each one of these clients has a small, tedious problem they hate doing. Maybe it's sorting raw data, formatting weekly newsletters, or cleaning up messy audio files, tasks that used to take a human 5 hours to complete. With the right AI workflow, that 5-hour task takes you 15 minutes. If you charge each client just $100 a week to solve that problem, look at the board. 5 clients, $100 each. That is your $500. To the client, they are paying a fair price to get 5 hours of their life back. To you, it didn't cost 25 hours of grueling labor. It cost you a few total hours of managing a system. The math is clean because the value is real. You aren't selling software. You are selling the result. The biggest mistake people make with money is thinking it's accumulation. It isn't. It's about defense. If you earn $10,000 a month but have zero free hours to think, you aren't wealthy. You are just busy. AI shouldn't be used to crowd your life with more noise. It should act as a guardrail, a digital wall that protects your energy from being drained by the low-value tasks of the modern world. When you have guardrails in place, your financial decisions change. You don't make desperate moves because you aren't exhausted. You don't overspend on convenience because you actually have the time to live. The quietest people in the room are usually the ones who have figured this out. They don't look for the next big thing. They look for the holes in their current system, and they patch them with logic. Because when your defense is solid, growing your net worth becomes an inevitable byproduct of your daily routine. Let's tie everything together with the final timeline. Most people overestimate what they can do in a single day, but they completely underestimate what happens over a year. Let's assume you don't even reach that $500 a week goal. Let's be highly conservative. Say your AI system saves you just $100 a week, either in reclaimed hours you can use at your main job or a tiny side project. $100 a week. Look at the timeline. In 1 month, that's $400. In 6 months, that's $2,400. By month 12, right here at the end of the line, that's $4,800. All from a system that started with a single $10 decision. You didn't need a venture capital investment. You didn't need a degree in data science. You just needed a calculator and a bit of discipline. The framework is simple, the logic is clean, and the math works. The only question left is what you're going to do with your next $10.